May soon be a third COVID-19 vaccine available in the United States.
Johnson & Johnson is asking the FDA for an emergency use authorization of its vaccine. KPRC2's Brittany Jeffers joins us live from the Texas Medical Center with how this vaccine is different from the ones, Brittany, already out there.
Yeah, we found out that this Johnson & Johnson vaccination would differ from the other ones that are available right now in the fact that it is a single-dose vaccination. It also doesn't have to be stored at ultra-cold temperatures. Now, health experts right now are saying the potential for this third option is very promising. Johnson & Johnson now asking the Food and Drug Administration for an emergency use authorization of its single-shot COVID-19 vaccine. As far as the timeline, experts will discuss the data at a meeting later this month. And if J&J gets the okay from the full FDA, the vaccine will go to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, which will then decide if the vaccine is safe for the general public and who should get it first. For context, that same regulatory process for Pfizer took a little over 3 weeks, and it was more than 2 for Moderna.
This is the perfect vaccine for mass vaccination events where you don't really want to try and get people back.
Looking at the numbers in the U.S., the pharmaceutical giant says the vaccine is 72% effective at preventing moderate and severe disease 28 days after vaccination. In South Africa, where a more contagious variant strain originated, the vaccine is 57% effective. Globally, it was found to be 85% effective against severe disease. The company announced it's still not quite as protective as Moderna and Pfizer, but defended the efficacy.
So the way I think about this vaccine is it helps 100% of people. It either stops you from getting COVID or it helps you, if you get COVID, have a much milder version of COVID. And it's completely preventing the things that are most scary, which are going to a hospital or worse.
Health experts say this potential vaccine doesn't require ultra-cold temperatures, making it easy to transport. And the single shot may be more appealing to some. So this advisory panel is expected to meet on February 26th. And by the way, if it is approved, the U.S. has agreed to buy 100 million doses. Reporting live near the Texas Medical Center this morning, I'm Brittany Jeffers, KPRC 2 News.
Thank you, Brittany.